Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Omaya Zein and I make videos about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, vlogging, and everything. So I hope you're enjoying this video and please do not forget to subscribe. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys my go-to fall makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I came up with this fall makeup look, then keep on watching. Alright, so I already applied moisturizer and primer to my face, and the next step is foundation. Just because I like my face to be even, I honestly get so distracted. Like if I were to start my eyes first, like eyeshadow or eyebrows, I always get so distracted by my skin, and I'm just like, okay, let me just get this over with, do my foundation, and then I move on to the eyebrow. Let me just put a little bit of lip liner because my face looks so pale. Next up, I'm doing my eyebrows, and I will be using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I always like to start with brushing my brows before filling them in. Okay, so I wonder if you guys are like me. So every time I do my brows, I have to be in complete silence. Like it's almost like I'm holding my breath because it's a nerve-wracking part of doing my face. I need to make sure they both come out symmetrical, looking exactly like one another. And I find that when I'm distracted, like if I'm on the phone while I do my brows, they always come uneven. So I cannot multitask at the moment. Alright, so now I'm going to get started with my eyeshadow, and I will be using the Balm Meet Matrimony palette. It's absolutely beautiful. It has all the beautiful fall colors. I'll be using Matte for my crease and actually all the way up to my brow bone. Get it all up in there. Okay, this is such a beautiful brown, and I'll be using it all over my crease. I absolutely love this color, guys. Now I'm going to use Matte Lopez. It's more of an orangey tone, and we'll be applying it towards the outer corner. Okay, so now I'm applying Matte Kumar also towards the outer corners of my eye. It's a beautiful maroon. This is the first time using it and I really love it. Alright, so now I'm going to blend in the shadows. I don't want any harsh lines. Okay, so now I'm going to use another of the Balm's product. I love this little eyeshadow palette because it comes with like your basics to do a smoky eye. And I'll be using this color right here. And actually I'm going to use my finger to apply it. Now go in with a blending brush and blend it all out. Let's move on to the eyeliner, and I will be using my new Huda Beauty eyeliner. I really love it because it's a dual eyeliner. So on one end you have liquid eyeliner and on the other end you have pencil eyeliner. So as I've mentioned before, I have to concentrate when I'm doing my brows, and when it comes to eyeliner it's the same thing. Like I cannot be distracted, guys, because one side would come out beautiful where the other side's just a complete mess, or it just doesn't like match. So I had to finish my eyeliner off of camera because it was becoming way too thick. I just finished both and I think they're pretty symmetrical. So now I'm going to apply mascara. I will be using the L'Oreal Telescopic in Carbon Black. I'm just gonna let it dry before removing it. And I wanted to show you guys the lashes I'll be using today. So the brand is Kiss and the style is Ritzy. You want to look down as you apply the lashes. And with doing so, you need a mirror to guide you. Okay, so now I'm going to contour, and to do this, I will be using the Balm Bahama Mama. It's always hard to apply makeup while you have your hijab on. And I always get asked like, oh my god, how do you do your makeup and it doesn't get all over your hijab? Well, I don't necessarily like apply my makeup on with hijab on when I'm at home. But when I do like makeup tutorials and I'm wearing my hijab, it's very difficult to not get, you know, makeup all over my scarf. And now I am going to contour my nose. And with a different brush, you're going to blend until you don't see any harsh lines. And for blush, I'll be using Hot Mama by The Balm. And you're applying this to your cheekbones. So now I am going to move on to the highlighting part. And for this, I will be using Huda Beauty's 3D highlighter palette. Oh my god, I love this, guys. I mean, the formula is so creamy and gorgeous for any complexion. I will be applying Santorini. And oh my god, it's so stunning. Like a little goes a very long way. Woo, it's just so gorgeous. Who gets happy about makeup? I mean, it makes my day. I noticed I didn't apply any white liner, so I'm gonna go do that before we start on the lips. The eyeliner I just used is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk. Okay, so for my lips, I will be using the Balm Liquid Lipstick, Charming. Wow, I love it. It's so pretty. And ta-da! I'm done with this fall makeup look. So quickly before I leave, I want to let you guys know about a giveaway that I am having. I would love to gift you guys some of the products that I used in today's video. So you will get the Balm Mascara, the Hot Mama Blush, Bahama Mama Bronzer, a lip balm, and the Balm Highlighter. And you will also be getting 2 of their Metal Creamy Eyeshadow Palettes. Look at these beautiful colors. Here is another shadow palette with more beautiful creamy eyeshadow colors. So the rules to enter the giveaway. Number 1, to follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube. You have to be a YouTube subscriber, and comment done once you are done. So go ahead and follow those rules as soon as this video ends. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys like this look, and if you got inspired by it and you recreate this look, please make sure to tag me on Instagram because I would love to see it. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support, and I will see you next week on Friday. Bye bye!